bring in Peter McGuire from Sydney from XM.com. Peter, thank you so much for joining us this morning. As Samira mentioned, investors seem quite optimistic about this trade deal between the US and China. Is that hope justified?
Well, it could be. I mean, it's been very strong talk over that Osaka weekend, and that was last weekend, and you may see markets move up from here. It's been a very nice 4th of July present for US investors, and the momentum is certainly taking it higher. So let's just see what happens over the following week or two with President Trump and President Xi.
But even if the trade war between the US and China seems to be getting better, or at least making progress, of course, President Trump has started a similar tension-raising trade war with the European Union as well as India.
Well, exactly right, and he's shifted his gaze across to other parts of the world, and it's going to be interesting what he does as far as Euro cars and other markets. And of course, I think it's just a sweeping change. He'll attack any market. There was talk that he was looking at Vietnamese steel up 400% as far as a tariff there. So it's certainly a global initiative as far as the president's concerned.
What else is on investors' mind in your view? Samira mentioned the Federal Reserve possibly cutting rates.
Well, I think that's got to be the first, major mover. If we do see the Fed trim rates, that's certainly going to add even more stimulus to this US economy. And of course, that'll take the Dow and the S&P even higher. So there's every chance that you could see this rally continue over the next 6 months.
But are they not concerned about slowing US economy? Because, of course, the trade war, even though it might be making progress, is starting to hurt.
Well, it certainly is, and that's the reasoning why the Fed may have to move, and there's talk that they could see 2 rate cuts over the rest of the 6 months of this year. So let's just see the momentum and where the Fed changes and trades on this. So there's certainly enough initiative there and gunpowder to make it happen.